Hi and welcome to this CryptoKit demo. This first-to-market rewards platform lets you launch your own rewards and crypto sales website in just a few simple steps. Your website will automatically reward visitors with crypto for any engagement they perform, like watching ads, playing games, and buying lotto tickets. Everything is set up and automated in under 1 minute, and you'll get paid crypto every week just for launching your crypto rewards site. Are you ready to see this in action? Let me show you how fast and easy it is. When you log into your CryptoKit dashboard, you'll be prompted to choose a subdomain name in this field. So just enter a name here and click on Create My CryptoKit. Your CryptoKit website is pre-configured with perfectly positioned ad placements throughout the site, engaging games, pre-written sales copy, token setup, and wallet creating software without you having to do anything extra. Everything is customizable and ready to rebrand, allowing you to personalize your crypto site right away. You just click here on CryptoKit settings, then here on the CryptoKit tab. Then you upload your custom logo, your custom site icon, and add your own tagline. And then you just save. Super simple. Choosing the cryptocurrency you want to give away as a reward to your users is as easy. Just click here on Earn Settings, then on this Reward Settings tab. Click on the drop down and select your reward coin from among 100 of the most popular cryptocurrencies. Now set the percentage of revenue you'd like to share with users. And now click here to save and your site's live. Once your site is live, your visitors can go to the Earn section, create a wallet on your site and sign in with their existing crypto wallets and start earning by performing activities there. And when they perform other activities like visiting the Visit and Earn, View and Earn, and Learn and Earn sections. And as you can see, CryptoKit will display pre-configured ads here that earn you ad revenue on every page your users visit. So there's no need to sign up and wait for approval at ad networks. Our ads are optimized across the network and ready to reward you big time. You can see how you start generating income the moment people start visiting your site right on your dashboard, where you can see your earnings in real time. Ad revenue is great, but this is more than that. Your CryptoKit comes complete with an inbuilt decentralized exchange platform, or DEX. Your member can buy crypto with their credit card, trade between currencies, or send to friends. And anytime they do, you'll take an admin cut. For even more rewards too, we've included the ultimate secret weapon, our inbuilt affiliate rewards program. Your members will be excited to see their rewards grow, so your website will automatically offer the ability to be an affiliate and get a 10% revenue split of everyone they introduce to your CryptoKit website. That's not just free traffic, that's traffic that pays you, as each of those new members views more ads, buys more crypto, and earns you more revenue. No other white label rewards platform makes it this easy for you to make money while you're away from the computer in less than a minute. So check it out and I'll see you inside.